This is dangerous. I would not recommend coming up here. I'm at the West Fork of Azusa Canyon today, hiking out to explore the hidden waterfalls of Glen Canyon. Joining me today, my buddy Steve, OG Instagram follower here. Check out his Instagram, Adventurous Data 5. He gave me one of the toughest freestyle rap challenges that I've ever had in the history of my Instagram Live. He wanted me to freestyle in a Ugandan Beastie Boys style, guys. It stumped me. What can I say? So we're headed out today. It's about a 12 or 13 mile round trip to Glen Canyon Campground. And then we're gonna be doing some bushwhacking up the canyon to check out Glen Canyon Falls, beautiful 3-tier falls. It's rumored to be one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the entire San Gabriel Mountains when it's flowing. That's the real question. It just started drizzling a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna be flowing enough. We're still gonna have a good time no matter what. Let's get started on this rainy 12-mile hike. To call this a hike is slightly a misnomer. The road is paved, but we're gonna be getting off the trail as soon as we get up here a little bit further. Glen Canyon has 3 amazing waterfalls. Beautiful green vegetation because it's been raining a little bit, so everything's popping, the color's popping, but wouldn't say that this is necessarily a hardcore hike, not yet anyway, until we get off trail. We made it to Glen Canyon Campground and we picked up a straggler here. Kurt was biking by and he said, I think I've seen some of your videos, so he is gonna join us on this expedition up to Glen Canyon Falls. He didn't know anything about the falls up here.
Yeah, I rode right past it.
So he wants to get down and dirty, guys. Just climbed up to the 2nd tier of Glen Canyon Falls. I gotta say, this is amazing. Here's the 2nd tier. You can see the 3rd tier. We're gonna try and go up there too, but oh my God. Glen Canyon Falls. Pristine 3-tier moss, ferns, untouched, beautiful. This is so amazing. I'm so pumped that it's flowing. So I am at the top of the 3rd upper tier of Glen Canyon Falls, and there are some beautiful pools here. Pristine, giant bowls. I'm not going swimming today because I've already been waist deep. It's a little chilly. Getting up here was a pain in the ass. Really loose, slick, and dangerous. I couldn't film a whole lot of footage. In fact, I don't think I shot anything on the way up here. So now I gotta go back down and shoot the top tier from the top of the 2nd tier. So the biggest, the third falls. Got to get some footage of that. Glen Canyon Falls. This is the best waterfall in Southern California, and I guarantee you've never heard of it. This is dangerous. So, taking a break, taking a breath, and documenting it. I would not recommend coming up here, honestly. So, take that for what you will. This will be the only footage I shoot, coming down from the top of the upper tier. So that's where I came from, up there. And then there's the upper tier waterfall. Tallest one, probably at least 100 foot. So now I'm going down there. I just came down from up there. Looks like the rest of the way down gonna be a butt slide or a prey slide. We'll see how that goes. That was a crazy day. Glen Canyon Falls, made it to the top of all three. Sick pools at the top. Kurt was up there, the guy we met. My mic is toast, I think. So if the audio sounds bad on this, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna recommend going to the second or definitely not the third tier. Unless you have ropes and technical knowledge and gear, it's rugged. Coming down from the top of the third tier is rugged. This is beautiful though. The first tier is worth it and not too far from the campground here. I want to thank Steve for joining me, Adventurous Dad of 5. High five. Check him out on Instagram. He's hardcore, he's badass. He became infamous with me today. Oh, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. We got another 6 miles out, but luckily it's on that road, so be inspired, don't be discouraged. Let this motivate you to get out there, find your adventure, and be infamous.
Infamous.